JIB is always a standout. Whether we talk about skills, whether we talk about academics, or whether we talk about one's personality. So this afternoon, I really drove all the way from Davao City. I came late, but I was very, very happy with what I saw. The first two Miss JIB International was done in Davao City. And so I decided that the third one should be done in General Santos City. Because I know that JIBIS here can also host the event with excellence. So let us now give JIBIS a very loud, warm round of applause for all of this preparation. And I would like to thank our JIB Davao teachers, our iChef and other JIB schools, KAISA teachers and staff, together with our management team for also supporting this event. I'm looking forward to a more exciting Miss JIB 2017 next year. So thank you once again. Congratulations and God bless us all.